Oh, Keith, your Doosan's all done. You have more power, you're 225 psi, and probably twice the speed, I would think, or close to it. I'll run the hydraulics before I fire up the sound system so you can see in here better to pump. And here's your boom. Here's your boom speed. Your stick. And if I come out here, you can see your bucket. And that's it as far as the hydraulics. And I tightened up the gear slop on the rotate, and that speed control works nice. You can really control the small movements with it. Nice ESC. And I got rid of the tiny speaker and put one of those 4 ohm speakers in it, so it has more sound, a lot louder. We still have to get rid of the turbo whistle though, because I don't know how to. I don't know if we need the programmer for the SM3. We got to get rid of the whistle, the turbo. We shouldn't have a turbo on it, but oh yeah, and all the lights, your beacons, your boom. I put low and high beams on that light bar because it's so bright on the cab, so you can have it on low or high. And your dome lights on a switch that you put in there, and that's about it. Oh, and I mix the sound of the tracks. If you run one track, it won't go as high. So you can have the sound. So the sound's mixed to the controls. Or the left slider on the transmitter is also your throttle. So you can just turn, if you want to load a truck, you can just turn the throttle up and go. Oh, not close enough. But it runs nice. Those lights are cool too. You did a nice job putting those lights on there too. That's neat. But that's it. She's done.